Hey guys, welcome back. So today I've got some new updates regarding the launch month of upcoming OnePlus 10 series. This time OnePlus will be launching both the standard OnePlus 10 and OnePlus 10 Pro early next year. And we'll talk about the Android 12 update for the OnePlus 10 series. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get daily new updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. Now some fresh information from Max J. He says next year OnePlus might launch the OnePlus 10 series as early as in Jan last week or in the first week of Feb 2022. But this is only for the China, whereas the global release will happen in March 2022. So seems like OnePlus is also on the same track like any other Chinese brand, where they launch the device first in their own home country and then in the rest of the world. Or maybe this is just because in China OnePlus can provide fast ColorOS update, and for the global market the company might need some time to implement the Android 12 software with dynamic theme support. Yeah guys, dynamic theme support is also coming to the upcoming OnePlus 10 series right out of the box without any updates, which means users can choose colors for the icons and for the interface according to their preference. Now talking about some features, there will be a triple camera setup on the back in square type housing merging from the left side of the frame, and this time it is getting a new 13 megapixel periscope zoom lens which can achieve up to 5x lossless zoom. The primary shooter will be a 50 megapixel Sony's custom made sensor IMX899, which will use the latest 5-axis anti-shake technology by Oppo. The last sensor will also be a 50 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle photos. On the front of the phone there will be a 6.7 inch large curved display with 1440p resolution Samsung's E5 AMOLED panel, and this will be an LTPO display with variable refresh rate, which means it will consume less power than the regular 120Hz display. So the display will be the best in the market right now. The viewing angles, bright colors and sharp picture quality will make this phone pretty smooth. And for the performance, OnePlus might use the latest upcoming high-end CPU from Qualcomm Snapdragon 898, and Ice Universe says this chipset is way more powerful than we expected in the gaming section. So the OnePlus 10 Pro will provide the best of the best experience while gaming. Seems like Adreno 730 GPU is not only higher in numbers, but it actually performs 30 to 34% more than the Adreno 660, which is present on the current gen Snapdragon 888 CPU. Another leak from a Chinese leaker says OnePlus is also testing new higher capacity of batteries integrated with gallium nitride, and if everything goes right, we will see OnePlus flagships on massive 5000 mAh batteries, latest 125 watt fast wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging right out of the box. If this information is to be believed, then the OnePlus 10 Pro can charge this huge battery in just 30 minutes, and this is pretty crazy. So looks like OnePlus is serious this time about their flagship OnePlus 10 series, which is surely gonna give a strong competition to brands like Apple and Samsung. But to see the actual performance of the phone, we have to wait until the last week of Feb 2022 or March 2022. So there you go guys, this is the OnePlus 10 Pro, and if you have any question related to this smartphone, do let me know in the comment section. If you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more regular tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.